What is it
for
called?
our finals, and I was just working on it.
Good.
But you couldn't eat it.
Taco. I'll make it for you in a second.
Is it that thing in the red pot?
Hi, Daddy.
Oh my gosh, Daddy's home too?
That's good.
The girl just got home and Daddy's home too. What's going on today?
Is it selfish if I eat this one?
Is it selfish? No, you can have it. It's fine.
Mom, what's this for?
I'll treat it well. I'm gonna put this in my journal.
Okay.
The box, I mean.
Oh.
Mom, what if you just had a connection? You could have been a doctor and you could have got us money, and you probably would have gotten a better house.
Oh yeah? You think so? Well, I love my house.
Oh, looks so good, Lauren. Taco Tuesday. Okay, what's taco? Sweet and spicy or something?
Well, what if I eat
That's Sorry.
Yeah, this is really good with rice.
The spicy sauce.
Yeah. You like sprinkle it with rice and then mix it up a little bit, and then you like kind of mix it with the meat too.
Evie, if I remember correctly, you don't like sour cream on yours, right?
No!
Okay, just checking. Just checking.
You made me nervous for a second.
It's so dramatic.
Is this slimy too?
You ate too much?
I don't feel good.
You only ate two.